plot the points 3, negative pi over 6, and 2, 9 pi over 4. So let's do 3, negative pi over 6. Negative pi over 6 is like a negative 30. If this one is 45, negative 45, then kind of between those two would be our negative 30, right? And we have to take it out to 3 units. So it would be something like that right there. This would be your point 3, negative pi over 6. So then what about 2, 9 pi over 4? Well, 9 pi over 4 is actually greater than a full circle, right? So let's subtract 2 pi. That's going to be 9 pi over 4 minus 8 pi over 4, because 8 over 4 is 2, right? And we just get 1 pi over 4. So what that means is we start here and we go all the way around. That's our 2 pi. Then we go pi over 4 more. That's the 45-degree mark. We want to radiate out 2 units. So 1, 2. This would be our point for 2 and 9 pi over 4. So what if you want to convert from polar coordinates to rectangular coordinates? Let's take a look at this Cartesian coordinate plane over here. So imagine the polar grid kind of inscribed here, so you can imagine them at the same time. If you follow your angle around, this becomes your radius, correct? Okay, this is your r value, and this is your theta. Well, wouldn't this be, if you're talking about this point, wouldn't this be the x value and this be the y value? So if we want to know y, we can use sine, because sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse. That's where this part comes from. Sine of theta is y over r. And then cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So cosine of theta is x over r. That's where these two formulas come from.